Hello, Namaskar, this is Vishwanath Ember. In this video, let us discuss what is OFS or offer for sale, how to apply for OFS, what is the profit making possibility in OFS, and many more things related to OFS. Now let us understand what is offer for sale. Offer for sale or OFS is the sale of existing shares of the company held by the promoters or major investors to the public. This picture represents promoters selling the shares to multiple public investors through OFS or offer for sale. OFS mechanism was first introduced in the market by Securities and Exchange Board of India in 2012. Offer for sale mechanism is available to top 200 companies in terms of market capitalization. As per SEBI rules, publicly listed companies should have minimum 25% of public shareholding. Generally, promoters sell the shares through OFS to achieve minimum public shareholding of 25%. In case promoters are holding more than 75% of the shares, then they offload their shares through OFS mechanism. OFS is conducted on a specific date through a process that is separate from normal market trading process. For example, recently in April 2021, Reliance Industries Limited offloaded around 11.61% shares in Hathway Cables to comply with SEBI rules of minimum public shareholding. According to SEBI, minimum public shareholding in a publicly listed company should be 25%. Now let us understand the OFS bidding process. Buyer has to apply for a bid in order to acquire shares through OFS. Buyer cannot bid at a price below the floor price set by the company. Shares are allocated to different buyers after bids are placed. Share allocation happens on T+1 day, that is 1 day after bids are placed. Total value of the bids should not exceed 2 lakh rupees for individual or retail investors. The bid can be placed by different category of investors such as mutual fund companies, insurance companies, foreign portfolio investors, qualified institutional buyers, trusts, HUFs, corporates, proprietary, retail investors, and non-resident Indians. The duration of the OFS shall be maximum of 1 trading day, that is generally between 9:15 am to 3:30 pm. Trading platforms will specify a cutoff time up to which bids can be accepted, and this will be before the end of bidding period. You will not be able to place or modify a bid after specified cutoff time. Now let us understand how to buy shares through OFS. The customer need to have a trading and demat account to invest through the OFS. To open a trading and demat account, link is given in the description of this video. To apply for OFS bid, customer need to log into his trading account and go to the option IPO or OFS. There we can view all the stocks which are undergoing OFS and IPO. Select the OFS option and key in all the required details and then click on apply. Your bid will be placed for OFS. The OFS process is similar to that of IPO or initial public offering. The entire process to apply for OFS takes less than 5 minutes. Now let us understand the guidelines for OFS. OFS is available only to top 200 companies in the market. This ranking is based on market capitalization. Non-promoter shareholders with more than 10% of share capital are also eligible to offer shares through OFS. The company has to inform a stock exchange at minimum 2 working days before the OFS. As per the SEBI rules, at least 25% of the shares offered in OFS must be reserved for mutual fund and insurance companies, and a 10% reservation is made for retail investors. However, retail investor can also apply in both retail and general categories. OFS facility is based on a bidding platform provided by the stock exchange, not like normal market trading. All orders placed must be above the base price, also known as floor price set by the organization. Now let us understand the OFS share allotment process. After bidding cutoff time, designated stock exchange will allot the share to the investors. The allocated share will be credited to the investor's demat account in T+1 day, that is 1 day after the bidding. The stock exchange will share the allotment report with the investor at the end of day after the issue. Now let us understand the advantages of OFS. Retail investors are normally offered the shares at discount price on the floor price. Such discount is approximately 5%. This will give an opportunity for retail investors to make a profit through OFS offering. The entire process of OFS is simple, paperless and less time consuming. Now, what should the investor do? Whether we should invest through OFS or not? If you are investing in a company for a long term through the OFS, then you need to look for other factors such as past performance of the company, company finances, business prospectus and company management, etc. We need to evaluate the offer and then decide whether we need to apply for OFS or not. But if you are looking for a short-term gain, OFS can be a good opportunity for retail investors to make a profit in short term if the shares are offered at a discounted price for retail investors. I hope this video helps you in understanding the OFS and to take a decision on whether you want to invest in long term or a short term and make a profit in OFS. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you in the next video.